Our question is 3 into e power x plus 5 sin x. We have in this question we have two functions and between with the plus symbol. So this problem is looking like this: u plus v form equal to u dash plus v dash. F of x equal to 3 into e power x plus 5 sin x. Then f dash of x equal to 3 into, this is the constant, u dash, and u dash plus v dash. Dash means dy by dx of u plus v dash. Dash means dy by dx v of v. So we are putting u, this is a u, and v is, this is v. We are putting dy by dx u plus 5 into dy by dx, and here v, same like this. Then equal to, here 3 into derivation of e power x is e power x plus 5 into derivation of sin x is cos x.